Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a VPN on Android using ExpressVPN. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type ExpressVPN and press enter. Locate the official ExpressVPN app in the search results. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, open the ExpressVPN app. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new account. After logging in, you may be asked to accept permissions for the app. Grant the necessary permissions to ensure proper functionality. Once inside the app, you will see a large power button on the main screen. Tap the power button to connect to the VPN. The app will automatically select the fastest server for you. If you prefer to choose a server manually, tap on Location to browse servers. Select your desired server location from the list. After choosing a server, tap the power button again to connect. You will see the connection status on the main screen once connected. To disconnect, simply tap the power button again. You are now securely connected to the internet with ExpressVPN. Enjoy your online experience with enhanced privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.